Guys, welcome back to Slender of the 8 Pages video. This is my very first Slender of the 8 Pages video. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. You guys are enjoying your day because I've been playing Slender of the 8 Pages today. And we got a beautiful sky. And we're doing pretty good. And, ooh, what's that over there? I'm gonna go over there. Looks pretty interesting. Ooh, that's a nice guy. I like that. Turn my volume down. It's a pretty nice building. I like it. There's a pretty freaking scary stuff on the floors. Yeah, my character's huffing and puffing. So guys, yeah. I'm actually playing the game, which is really cool. I somehow am live streaming right now. I forgot how to live stream. Guys, it's really cool. I like it. Okay, nothing here. I'm gonna go somewhere else. I'm gonna head. Actually, no, I'm gonna head out of the building. Right now. Maybe. No, I'm not gonna head out of the building. Yeah, actually, yeah, I'm gonna head out of the building. Oh, I like that grass noise. It's really nice. It's really nice. Always watches, no eyes. You can make sure no one's looking, so they don't know. Don't want them to know I stole the page. Don't want Slenderman to know I stole the page. Don't want Slenderman to know. So just continue walking. These are some nice pillars. Okay. I don't see Slenderman. Hope Slenderman doesn't find me. Those loud footsteps, they sound like loud footsteps. Oh, I think Slenderman's around here. Yep, Slenderman is definitely around here. Slenderman is definitely here. Slenderman is definitely here. Guys, yeah, it's pretty freaking scary. Oh gosh, there he was. I saw him. Right there, I saw him. Guys, did you see that? You guys see that? I just saw him. Second out of 8 pages. I'm planning on getting all 8 pages. Oh gosh, you guys saw that. He was right there. Oh gosh, he's right there. Yeah, you guys see him right there. Slenderman's pretty freaking scary. I'm not sure if he's there anymore. I'm gonna keep running. See he anywhere? I don't see him. Because he can flip and teleport. So yeah, guys. I'm not sure if I'm ready to put up for this, but I'm just gonna keep playing. Where's the third page? Oh, there's one. No. Just let him know. So, yeah, let's just keep going. And you get all these pages by the end of the video. I hope. This Slenderman doesn't kill us. Guys, I hope Slenderman doesn't kill us. Those loud footsteps are getting really intense. Another page. The fourth out of 8 pages. Oh gosh, where is he? Oh yeah, I saw him. Where is he? Oh no, he's gonna stay right here out of his sight. I hope he's not gonna find me. It's probably 4 out of 8 pages. I hope this actually works. Oh, what was that? That was Slender doing a screen transcender. He likes to transcend people's screens. Oh gosh, I don't know where he is. Where is he? I'm just gonna keep running. Where the flip is he? Another page. 5 out of 8. Yes, 5 out of 8. 5 out of 8. 5 out of 8 pages. Guys, we can keep going. We got this. I tried many times to get this to work, and I finally got it to work. I think there's one in the truck. I'm gonna check. Wait, no. There's actually 6 out of 8. Yes. Only 2 more. No, just gonna check. Oh gosh, it happened again. Seven out of 8. Let's go. I nearly died. Nearly died, guys, but I'm okay. Oh gosh, she's right there. Gonna keep going. I'm surprisingly good at this game. Yes, we got 8 out of 8 pages, guys. Good job, guys. Good job, guys. We got 8 out of 8 pages. And see you guys next time.